Captain, we are receiving a distress call from the Space Force. Their satellite communication systems are overrun with data and they need help. They have to put out a general call for proposals.
Thank you, Lieutenant Uhura. Mr. Chekhov, take us to Space Force headquarters. Warp 9. Punch it.
Aye, aye, sir. Stand by for warp. Warp 6, warp 7, warp 8, warp 8.5.
Captain, we need to slow down. I'm giving her all she's got. The dilithium crystals can't take it much longer. We need to drop out of warp so I can regenerate the matrix.
It's not good enough, Mr. Scott. Space Force needs our help.
Aye, I'll try, sir. Warp 9 it is. I can't tell you how long it will last.
Warp 9?
Mr. Spock, write a Phase 2 proposal on Compaction technology and prepare to submit it to Space Force.
Proposal complete, Captain. I made special reference to obtaining source words from a plaintext source packet S by concatenation of substitutions via primary Huffman code of block length n and a mismatch code word m of length little m followed by concatenation of n over k substitutions via a secondary Huffman code.
Oh, sounds good. I agree.
You agree that the concatenation of n over k substitutions via secondary Huffman code is the correct approach?
Of course, Mr. Spock.
Captain, we are surrounded by startups who are competing to aid the Space Force. They are targeting us with their computer scientists. What should we do?
Don't worry about it.
There are thousands of them. It's like a drone swarm.
Captain, it appears that the startups are preparing their proposals. They're about to commence firing them at us to prevent us from reaching Space Force with a proposal for a technology that actually fixes their problem. I suggest we raise shields.
Shields up. Prepare to fire Mr. Spock's proposal.
Captain, there are hundreds of startups. I estimate our chances of success at 2.43%.
Spock, stop telling me the odds. It's going to work. Mr. Chekhov, load Mr. Spock's proposal in the photon torpedo tubes.
Aye, aye, sir. Proposal loaded.
Fire proposal. Full spread.
Message received from Space Force. We have received funding for our Phase 2 proposal. $1.2 million.
We made it again. Space Force is going to be archived.
Mr. Chekhov, take us into Space Force headquarters. Good work, everyone. And, Mr. Chekhov, secure that $1.2 million.
General rejoicing.
Captain's log, stardate 2259.53. We have come through. The Space Force needs a way to massively increase their communications capacity and to increase security without spending billions on new satellites, and they think we may have the answer. We won't let them down. We're going to make everything they do better, and the crew is excited to make that happen. Speculation. We may be able to improve transwarp beaming efficiency too.